Alright, you wanna code HTML and CSS at faster speed? Emmet is the solution. Hello everyone and welcome to the fifth part of the Emmet tutorial series, Emmet Actions. And for this whole series I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my VS videos and find the links in the description below. Emmet offers you very unique tools that can greatly improve your editing experience. And you can open, let me call our command box. If you are using Visual Studio Code, just type or press Control or Command Shift or Option P to call our command panel. And here you can find, by the way, I'll not repeatedly use the hotkey to call this command panel, just note it down, Control or Command Shift or Option P. So here you can, if you type Emmet, now you can see a list of Emmet actions, and we'll go through all of them one after another. Let's start with balance inward or outward. You can expand selection from current CARET position. Say call balance outward. It selects all of the div, and if you call it again, it expands the selection, or if we call it again, it expands the selection. Or you can shrink the selection just by calling balance inward. And if you call this as many times as you like to get to your CARET position. Now let's go to matching pair. Type in here matching pair. What it does is you can go to your matching pair. Say if you're on this position, it'll take you to its matching pair, or if you're here, it will take you back to its opening tag. You can wrap this whole tag with another p tag just by calling wrap with abbreviation and type your abbreviation here. Say in this case paragraph tag, and notice that this previously declared paragraph tag is now enclosed with another p tag. Hit enter to accept the changes. You can go to the next level, just select it and call the wrap with abbreviation and type in here, say you want to wrap it inside a div with the class name wrapper inside h1 tag, and here I'm gonna add a title, and on the same level I'm gonna add another div with content class. Or you can convert this text into navigation menu. Just call the wrap with abbreviation and type in here nav, and inside nav an ordered list with the class name nav. Inside you can have list item with the class name item asterisk, and inside each of the list item you can have anchor tag. So notice the list item or navigation menu is created for you just with text. Or if you wanna make your list item with this text, just call wrap with abbreviation again and type in here nav. Inside nav an ordered list with the class of nav, and inside here list item with the class item asterisk, and inside anchor tag. But notice that it gives you this asterisk as well, and if you want to get rid of this asterisk, just add a trim character here with pipe nt. Now notice that the asterisk is removed from each of the text. You can also control the position of the text. Just select this and call ref with abbreviation. Just call ref with abbreviation and type in here an ordered list, and inside an ordered list item with title attribute, and the value would be this texts with dollar or hash, with dollar and hash. Let me type it again, with dollar and hash, and then I'm gonna add asterisk. Now notice that the text is transferred to the title, and you can control the position by adding this dollar and hash sign. And then inside each of list item you can add the same text as a content by adding dollar and hash, and on the same level you can add image tag with alt attribute, and the value can be the text. So this would be the end result. Now let's talk about the edit point. You can quickly traverse between important code points, such as between tags, empty attributes, new lines. Say if you're here, if you wanna traverse to this text, or if you wanna move to this code point, this point here, you can go to next edit point, and it takes you to the next edit point as many times as you call the action. Or you can also move backward just by calling previous edit point. Now if you're here, you can move to the previous edit point right here, or you can select any edit point with select next item. Let me call this again. So it selects list item, and if you call it again, it selects an anchor tag. And let's say if you are here, you can select the previous item as well by calling go to previous edit point, or select, let me select Emmet, select previous item. Alright, and you can call it again to select any previous item. You can toggle this whole code. Just click here and call comment, and then you can split or join tag as well. Just click here and call split or join tag. It joins the tag, or if you call it again, it splits it, but the content in between is gone. You can remove the tag just by calling remove tag, and notice that the paragraph tag is removed. If you see again, and if I call it, the paragraph tag is removed. And if you want to take this text out of this div, just select it and call this remove tag. You can also merge lines just by calling merge lines, and you can also evaluate the math expressions. Just select it and call evaluate, or let me add here parenthesis. Alright, select this expression and call evaluate math expression. So that was all about Emmet actions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.